In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Canva. If you are building a presentation, a multi-page document, or you simply need more space to continue your design, adding a new page in Canva is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it so you can choose whichever feels most convenient while you are working. Start by opening your design in Canva, so you can see your current canvas. This is your main working area where all your elements, text, and images live. With your design open, look just below the canvas. You'll find a button labeled Plus Add Page. Clicking this instantly inserts a new blank page directly beneath the one you are on. It's perfect when you are in the flow and want to keep building the same project without leaving the canvas view. You'll notice the page count at the bottom update, confirming the new page has been added. Another quick option lives in the top right corner of the editor. Up there, you'll see an icon or button labeled Plus Add Page. This does the same thing, adds a fresh page to your design without having to scroll to the bottom of your current canvas. It's handy if your design area is zoomed in or you are working on a larger screen and want a consistent spot to click every time. For a big picture view, use Grid View. At the bottom of the editor, you'll see an indicator that shows how many pages your design currently has. Click that to open Grid View. This layout displays all your pages as thumbnails so you can see the structure of your entire project at a glance. From here, click Plus Add Pages to insert a new blank page. Grid View is especially useful when your project grows longer and you want to visualize where the new page will sit among the rest. It keeps things organized and makes it easy to stay oriented as you build. No matter which method you choose below the canvas, the top right icon or through Grid View, Canva keeps the experience consistent and fast. If you need multiple pages, simply repeat the same action as many times as you like. And if you are collaborating, these methods work the same for everyone on the design, so your team can add pages without interrupting your workflow. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.